What if I told you that a simple investment strategy could change your financial future? It sounds unbelievable, but the numbers are eye-opening. In this video, we're exploring a powerful approach using just a few carefully picked ETFs that goes against what most people think about investing. We'll look at each part of this strategy, showing you why these ETFs were chosen and how they work together to grow your money. By the end, you'll have a clear plan for smart, passive investing that might surprise you. Ready to see how a handful of investments could shake up your ideas about building wealth? Picture this. In one corner, we have a team of Wall Street's finest, armed with fancy degrees, high-tech tools, and tons of money. In the other corner stands our simple 4 ETF portfolio, looking like David facing Goliath. Who would you bet on in this money showdown? Let's meet our players. First up, we have the Wall Street pros. These money wizards have access to stuff most of us can only dream about. They've got teams crunching numbers all day, special computer programs predicting market moves, and the ability to make super fast trades at the drop of a hat. With all this going for them, you'd think they'd be impossible to beat. I mean, how could a basic 4 ETF portfolio even compete? But here's where it gets interesting. Our 4 ETF strategy might look weak, but it's got some surprising strengths. It's easy to understand and use. You don't need to be glued to the news or spend hours reading company reports. It's the kind of strategy that lets you sleep well at night, knowing your money's working for you without needing constant attention. Now, you might be thinking, all those Wall Street advantages must lead to better returns, right? Well, here's a surprise. Even with all their fancy tools and expert teams, many pro fund managers struggle to do better than the market over time. Plus, their complicated strategies often cost a lot. On the other hand, our 4 ETF portfolio keeps things simple and cheap. Many index funds have low fees, so more of your money stays invested and grows. It's like choosing between a fancy sports car and a reliable, fuel-efficient family car. The sports car looks cool, but which one will get you where you need to go more reliably and cheaply? As we get ready for this investing face-off, remember that in the money world, things aren't always what they seem. All the fancy stuff Wall Street has doesn't always mean better results. Sometimes keeping things simple and steady can be your best bet. Did you know there's an investment that's never lost money over any 20-year period? It sounds crazy, but it's true. Let me introduce you to VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, the star player in our portfolio. Here's why VOO is so great. The S&P 500 is like an all-star team of the stock market. It's made up of 500 of the biggest and most successful companies in the US, like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, and Meta. When you buy VOO, you're getting a tiny piece of all these companies. Now you might think index investing means settling for average returns, but that's not true at all. The S&P 500 has actually done better than most actively managed funds over long periods. It's all about riding the wave of growth from America's best businesses. VOO's track record is pretty amazing. It's never lost money over any 20-year period, which is why it's such a great foundation for building long-term wealth. Plus, it spreads your money across different sectors like tech, finance, healthcare, and consumer goods, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. VOO also pays dividends. Right now, it has a dividend yield of 1.3% and has been growing those dividends by about 4.4% each year for the past 5 years. So you're not just hoping the stock price goes up, you're getting paid while you wait. The key with VOO is to be patient. The longer you hold it, the more you benefit from compound growth and the market's long-term upward trend. Think about what VOO could do over decades. As companies grow and change, your investment grows with them. It's like getting in on the future success of America's top businesses, starting right now. You can see how powerful VOO is when you look at how much money it manages. A whopping $1.2 trillion. That shows just how much investors trust it and how well it's performed. VOO gives us a solid base for our portfolio. But to really boost our returns and maybe even outpace your day job, we need to add some extra oomph. Ready to see how we can take this portfolio up a notch? Imagine an ETF that captured the explosive growth of tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. That's exactly what SCHG, the Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, brings to our portfolio. It's designed to focus on companies growing faster than average with high potential. SCHG complements the broad exposure we get from VOO by targeting companies with the highest growth potential. Its top holdings are a who's who of tech giants. Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, and Meta make up a big chunk of the fund. In fact, the top 10 holdings account for about 59% of the ETF's total assets. That's a lot of growth potential in one package. SCHG is heavily invested in technology, 49%, and communication services, 13%. This focus on high-growth sectors has paid off big time. Over the past decade, SCHG has grown by an impressive 310%. That kind of performance can really speed up your wealth building. But keep in mind, high potential comes with risks. SCHG's focus on specific sectors means it can be more volatile than a broad market fund like VOO. When the market turns down or shifts away from growth stocks, SCHG could take a bigger hit. That's why it's important to see SCHG as part of a balanced profile, not a standalone investment. Adding SCHG to our 4 ETF portfolio aims to boost our potential returns. It's like giving our investments an extra push, potentially growing our wealth more than a standard index fund might. We're aiming to build a portfolio that can outperform the market over time. Now that we've added some powerful growth to our mix, let's think about balance. A good portfolio needs both growth potential and stability. Let's look at how we can add some stability to our strategy. Enter SCHG, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, our portfolio's steady income producer. This ETF aims to provide regular dividends while also offering a chance for your investment to grow. SCHD picks quality companies known for consistently paying and increasing their dividends. Right now, it pays about 3.2% in dividends, and over the past 5 years, those payments have grown by 13.3% on average. So you're not just getting paid now, but potentially more in the future too. The ETF focuses on financially strong companies, which can help during tough market times. We're talking about big names like Lockheed Martin, Home Depot, and Coca-Cola, businesses known for their solid finances and reliable dividend payments. Here's a cool trick: reinvesting dividends. Instead of spending that dividend money, you can use it to buy more SCHD shares. Over time, this can really boost both your income and your investment's value. Get this, SCHD has increased its dividend payout every year for the past 12 years. That's impressive. These regular payments can help smooth out the bumps when the market's not doing so hot, giving you some income even if stock prices fall. Adding SCHD to our portfolio is like hiring a dependable worker who shows up every day, rain or shine, helping us build long-term wealth and income. Ever dreamed of owning a piece of every public company in the United States? That's exactly what the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI, offers. It's like a huge buffet of stocks, giving you a taste of everything the market has to offer. You might be asking, why add VTI when we already have VOO in our portfolio? Good question. The answer is simple. VTI covers more ground. While VOO focuses on the 500 biggest companies, VTI includes the entire U.S. stock market. That means you're getting the big players, plus mid-size, small, and even tiny companies. This wide coverage is VTI's superpower. By investing in every public company in the U.S., you're spreading your risk across the whole market. This can be really helpful during different economic times, as smaller companies sometimes do better than bigger ones, especially when the economy is bouncing back. Let's look at some real numbers. In the last 10 years, VTI has grown by 167%. That's pretty impressive and shows how well it captures the overall growth of the U.S. stock market. With $1.6 trillion under management, it's clear that lots of investors see the value in this broad market approach. The best part about VTI is how it fits into our portfolio strategy. By including smaller companies, we might be setting ourselves up for better long-term results. As the economy changes and new industries pop up, VTI makes sure we're ready to benefit from the next big thing, whether it's a cool new tech company or a game-changing healthcare business. Adding VTI to our 4 ETF portfolio gives us that extra layer of diversity that could help us do even better over time. It's the last piece of our wealth-building puzzle, rounding out a strategy that aims to capture the best the market has to offer. Now that we've got our team of ETFs, each bringing something special to the table, it's time for the big test. How does our carefully put together portfolio stack up against the Wall Street pros? Let's jump into a 10-year face-off and see if our simple strategy can really beat your day job. The moment of truth has arrived. Let's see how our simple 4 ETF portfolio stacks up against the pros in a decade-long showdown. Picture a boxing ring with our 4 ETF portfolio in one corner and Wall Street's top fund managers in the other. The bell rings and our 10-year match begins. It might seem like an unfair fight at first, but in investing, appearances can be misleading. The first few years are calm, with steady returns on both sides. Then, in year 3, market volatility hits hard, shaking things up for everyone. Our 4 ETF portfolio holds strong. VTI and SCHD cushion the blow, while SCHG helps us bounce back when the market recovers. Many actively managed funds struggle during this time, making costly mistakes as they try to time the market. In year 6, an economic crisis strikes. Our ETF portfolio, with its low costs and hands-off approach, handles the storm pretty well. The pros feel the pressure to beat the market, which leads to some risky moves that don't always work out. Year 8 brings a tech boom that reshapes industries. SCHG really shines here, capturing the growth of innovative companies. Some actively managed funds do well, but others miss out on big opportunities. As we near the end, the scoreboard shows a surprise. Our 4 ETF portfolio is often in the lead. Over the decade, our strategy has consistently beaten many actively managed funds, especially during market downturns. Let's look at some numbers. Our 4 ETF portfolio averaged a 9.8% annual return over 10 years, while the average actively managed fund only managed 7.2%. During the economic crisis in year 6, our portfolio dropped 28% at its worst, compared to a 35% drop for the average actively managed fund. The final bell rings and the results are clear. Our 4 ETF portfolio, built to handle different market conditions, has proven its strength against market ups and downs. The simple, low-cost ETF strategy has outperformed many Wall Street pros in the long run. Think outperformance is the only benefit of our 4 ETF strategy? Think again. There are some surprising perks that go beyond just beating the market. Let's look at the hidden advantages that make this approach powerful for building long-term wealth. When investing, what you see isn't always what you get. Many investment approaches have hidden costs that can eat into your returns over time. It's like buying a car and forgetting about fuel, insurance, and maintenance. The real cost is often much higher than the sticker price. Our 4 ETF strategy shines here. ETFs typically have much lower fees than actively managed funds. Over time, this can make a huge difference. Saving even 1% on fees each year could add up to tens of thousands of dollars over a couple of decades. Our strategy also offers tax advantages. ETFs are generally more tax efficient than many mutual funds, so you keep more of your returns instead of sharing them with the government. Let's talk about simplicity. With our 4 ETF portfolio, you don't need to constantly watch the market or worry about making trades. This peace of mind is valuable. People who use a simple, diversified approach often feel less stressed during market downturns. This helps them stick to their investment plans and usually leads to better results. These benefits add up over time. Lower fees mean more of your money keeps working for you. Tax efficiency helps your wealth grow with fewer interruptions. And the peace of mind? That's hard to put a price on. So what does this mean for you? Our 4 ETF strategy helps you build long-term financial success with fewer headaches and hidden costs. It lets you focus on what's important in life, knowing your money is hard at work behind the scenes. Did you know that a simple 4 ETF portfolio could potentially outperform Wall Street's finest? It sounds hard to believe, but the numbers back it up. This straightforward approach often beats professional fund managers. Let's talk about how you can use these 4 ETFs to grow your wealth beyond your day job. It's all about keeping things simple and consistent. By spreading your money across different ETFs, you can lower your risk while still aiming for good returns over time. Here's how to get started. 1. Pick your 4 ETFs carefully. Look at things like fees and how they spread your money across different investments. 2. Set up automatic investments so you're always adding to your portfolio. 3. Once a year, adjust your investments to keep them balanced. 4. Stick to your plan, even when the market goes up and down. Remember, investing is more like a marathon than a sprint. The trick is to start now and keep at it. Check on your investments regularly, but don't make changes too often. This strategy works because it's simple and you can stick with it. Ready to take charge of your money? Start building your 4 ETF portfolio today. The sooner you begin, the more time you have to let your money grow.